Setting goals is a great start, but achieving them requires consistent effort and dedication. Here are some practical strategies to help you follow through and turn your aspirations into reality. 1. Set clear and specific goals. SMART goals. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This clarity provides a roadmap for your actions. Break down goals. Divide larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them less daunting and more achievable. 2. Create a detailed plan. Action steps. Outline the specific actions you need to take to reach your goals. Timeline. Set deadlines for each step to maintain momentum and accountability. Obstacles and solutions. Anticipate potential challenges and develop strategies to overcome them. 3. Prioritize and stay focused. Time management. Allocate time for your goals in your daily or weekly schedule. Eliminate distractions. Minimize interruptions that can derail your progress. Stay organized. Use tools like planners or apps to keep track of your tasks and progress. Build accountability. Share your goals. Tell friends, family, or a mentor about your goals. Their support can motivate you to stay on track. Find a partner. Having an accountability partner can provide encouragement and help you stay committed. Track your progress. Regularly monitor your progress and celebrate your achievements. Stay motivated. Visualize success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals. This can boost your motivation and confidence. Reward yourself. Celebrate your milestones with small rewards to stay motivated. Learn from setbacks. Don't let setbacks discourage you. View them as opportunities for growth and learning. Seek support and guidance. Mentorship. Find a mentor who can offer advice and support. Join a community. Connect with others who have similar goals. Seek professional help. If needed, consider consulting a therapist or coach for guidance and support. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your goals. Stay committed, be patient, and believe in yourself. With the right strategies and mindset, you can overcome challenges and turn your dreams into reality.